is a presentation of GDC Maps. This is the documentation and testing portion. My group members are Alan, David, and Travis. Our client is Mike Detters. He's a software development major, currently based in Atlanta, with experience building web apps and desktop software. He's passionate about the quality of code, efficiency, and best practices, as well as software security. He continues to learn new technologies and improve his skills for next projects, and he enjoys experimenting with new frameworks and technologies while trying to deliver beautiful, functional product for both user and client. Some of his hobbies include board games, card games, and low-light photography. This is a photo of the team. To the left, you see Alan, then you see David, then you see Travis, and then there I am. As far as documentation goes, GDC Maps does not require a lot of documentation, and any documentation required is already existing. Any new documentation that we would be adding would be maybe our mapping out of the buildings. We've talked to both user and client and come up with numerous new iterations and things to implement in the software. One of which being mapping out the buildings for classrooms with greater plugs for technology classes of the sort, and classes with better Wi-Fi, the latter being a little bit harder. But those are things that maybe pieces of information that would be useful or people would like to know for GDC Maps. Different documentation that already exists and that is available would be on GitHub. Licensing, code, contribution files, and sponsorship/partnership files. For users, we have the help screen available with any pertinent information about GDC Maps, building, zooming in and out, search bar, and with descriptions of such, and there's more helpful hints as well. Here is the organization of our repository thus far. I'll show you this to show that it's not really that organized when it comes to files and such. You could make a documentation folder, clean it up a little bit more, but here it is as it stands. Now, as far as testing, I'm going to add a video afterwards which shows just the testing because you need a closer look at it. The video is in the PowerPoint slide for your convenience to access at a later date.